Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Just wanted to drop in and give you a quick channel update since some kind of negative things are going on. First of all, the support I've been getting on the channel, especially lately, has been outstanding. Got a good few new subscribers. I've got some new commenters and stuff, and that's all awesome. You guys are great. It's been a lot of fun, starting to build the community and sharing the projects I'm working on and stuff like that. So I really want to thank you guys for that. So it is with a little bit of sadness I have to tell you that the pace of things is going to have to slow down. The broken life, if you haven't figured that out yet, and I had planned to talk about this in more detail at some point, it's kind of a double entendre. It's not just all my stuff that's broken. To an extent, it's also me. You guys have heard me say throughout a lot of these projects that, oh yeah, I've been putting this off for years, that is because I've had quite a few health problems to overcome in the past. And that's actually one of the reasons why I started my channel too, is back when I couldn't do anything, I would watch guys that are making videos like mine, kind of wishful thinking that I could be out working on my own stuff. So I know there are people out there that used to wrench or like to wrench, but are disabled or, have financial problems or something and can't do their own stuff anymore. So they follow along with other people's stuff, just kind of vicariously. And that was me. Well, Friday afternoon at working my regular job, didn't do anything really unusual, just went to put something in a desk drawer and blew out my back. And, this is a problem I've had recurring for a number of years, but I thought to this extent it was kind of behind me, but I guess not. So as it is right now, it is Wednesday. I've not been to work all week. I've been basically walking around my house using a broom as a crutch as much as I can. Can't actually drive anywhere right now. I've got transportation lined up to come and get me to a doctor tomorrow. And I am starting to feel a little bit better finally, but so anyway, at some point I'll probably lay this whole story on you guys. And as you can see, we have killed things mid-project. I had begun the process of putting a new top on the TJ here and started to film that, and back blew up. So wanted to give you a quick update that the pace of things on the channel is probably going to have to slow down for, I'm going to guess, several weeks. Or maybe we'll start doing, more tool reviews and how-tos and stuff like that. In fact, these are a product I wanted to review for today. And this is Tuesday, not Wednesday. I was getting confused earlier. These are 3M Bluetooth hearing protection headphones. And these are actually going to be like my first neutral review. So we may, for a little while, move on to things that are a little easier on the body. That doesn't mean that I'm not going to be making content in the future or that the pace won't pick up at some point after that. But just wanted to give you a heads up that things are going to have to relax for a little bit. And that's not, the pace was never any pressure I felt from, any subscribers or anything. It was more pressure I put on myself because I want to get stuff done. That's the whole point. So the end card that I use that says I try to make a new project video every week, we're going to have to be emphasizing the try part of that for a little bit. So anyway, just a quick update, guys. I'm not dead. I'm not giving up on YouTube. I don't expect to, need surgery or anything like that, but things are going to slow down for a little bit. So thanks for stopping by, guys. I really appreciate it, and we'll see you on the next one, which I do have one ready to go for this Friday, and then we're just going to have to see how it goes. So take care, guys. We'll see you. This is Saddington Bear. He's our channel mascot and project supervisor, and he would like you to know I try to make a project video every week. You might be interested in some of these other videos. Take a look and let me know what you think. Thanks again for watching. Really appreciate it.